All right, time for some Monday birthdays here in the 4 states. We're starting in Galena with Piper Maggie celebrating birthday number 3. Happy birthday, Piper.
And Levi Peak is turning 10 years old this year. Happy birthday, Levi, in Girard with love from Mom and Dad.
Jackson Schwab celebrating birthday number 12 over in Franklin. Happy birthday to you, Jackson.
All right, in Jasper, Hayden Buchanan turns 14 years old.
And Alex Evans over in Frontenac celebrating number 20. Says happy birthday, Alex, from all of your family.
And Winter Jacobs is now 24 years old. Looks like she just graduated in Pittsburgh there. And we got a special note saying your aunt and uncle are so proud of you.
We've also got Amy Vaughn in Neosho celebrating birthday number 43. Birthday wishes coming from the Cornerstone staff.
Orrin Humble turning double fours, 44 years old for Orrin in Pittsburgh.
And Brian Natalini celebrating birthday number 60 in Columbus. Says he needs to stop by Natalini's Automotive and say hi.
Hi and happy birthday. Mary Franklin is 65 in Girard. Little note here that says, we love you, Mom. Love your daughters.
And we've got Shelly Inman celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Happy birthday, Shelly.
And love from all the grandkids going out to Mr. Ray Scales in McCune.
And we've got Patty Robinson celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Happy birthday, Patty.
All right, belated birthday wish going out to Nancy Johnson. All right, yes, Nancy is 72, and that gentleman there on the left would be her grandson. Happy birthday, a little extended family member of KOAM here.
And we've got Jaden and Gracie Baugh celebrating their first anniversary over in Carthage. Happy anniversary to the Baughs.
And JD and Leslie Miner celebrating their second anniversary in Columbus.
And TJ and Trisha Pike celebrating their 12th anniversary in Nevada. Happy anniversary to the Pikes.
All right. And Dale and Ornona Bogner celebrating their 23rd anniversary. That's pretty cool there. Bogners are in Parsons.
And we've got Tandy and Carmen Pike celebrating their 34th anniversary in Nevada. Happy anniversary to you.
Michael and Carol Clyburn celebrating 46 years together in Galena.
And Jim and Betty Burton celebrating their 50th wedding anniversary. Very happy anniversary to the Burtons.
Mike and Natalie Nelson is celebrating an anniversary as well, and they are in Columbus.
And in Sheldon, it's anniversary time for Justin and Sarah Hancock. Very happy anniversary to you.
All right. And, I mentioned Miss Nancy Johnson's grandson on her left there. Well, there he is again. That's our very own camera operator, news assistant, Mr. Gabe Hansen. Hope you had a wonderful birthday on Saturday. That's him clapping there in the back.
Hey, he's got to celebrate his birthday, right?
Yeah.
Well, I hope it was a great one, Gabe. Our list continues as if it wasn't long enough. We go with Bill and Judith Rayner in Overland Park, Kansas, celebrating their 40th anniversary with anniversary wishes coming from your friends in Erie.
Right, Mr. and Mrs. Bauer celebrating 2 years together. Jesse and Beth Bauer, congratulations.
And Sally Saporito in Columbus celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday, Sally.
Milo Kellerman celebrating a birthday up in Iola, Kansas.
And Kenny White over in Scammon celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday, Kenny.
Oh, and if Milo's celebrating a birthday, he did it right because it's on his anniversary. Milo and Janice Kellerman, 50 years together. Can't forget your anniversary or you forgot your birthday.
Oh, absolutely,
smart.
right? And it's an easy way to make it easy to remember. Mm-hmm. Chad Eddington celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday, Chad.
And Teresa Martin turning 68 years old in Uniontown.
Now that was a fantastic list. We'd like for every list to be like this, although the folks in the control room would not like for every list to be like this. However, if you want to help us irritate them and celebrate with you, Tanya, what can they do?
All they have to do is send those birthdays and anniversaries to this email. Please get them to us at least 24 hours in advance. Birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It's easy to do. You get special deals from local businesses. You also get a happy birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club today.